Hey, Kara, or I'm not sure if it's Kara. I'm sorry I haven't met you, but this is Mrs. Christensen, and I'll be handling your credit recovery. You'll want to access your stuff obviously in your own folder, and it's the only place you have to go. You have 2 units that you have to complete, although they're not complete units. There's just a couple pieces, and then you'll have to test out of them. So even though I'm only requiring you a handful of lessons to complete, you might want to revisit some lessons before you take the test. So let's look at energy, for example. So technically, you only have to do less assignments from part 3 and part 4. For example, the only thing you have to do in part 3 is the energy transformations interactive activity. However, if you struggle with that, you'll probably want to look back at some of the other lessons so that you can better complete those. But part 4 then, you do have to do the energy sources folder. Those are pretty quick quizzes. Notice you always have to have at least 70% accuracy before you move forward. So you have unlimited attempts on everything, including exams, which you also have to do here. So again, even though I'm only making you do a couple things, you'll want to look back at some of those older lessons. So that's for energy. For waves, you do have some stuff to do here. You didn't complete the last 2 assignments, and so that's the only thing I've required you to actually complete. So sound wave interference, you'll note the completion rules about what you do have to do and what you don't have to do. Sound wave interference, and then other applications of sound waves. And so the waves exam, again, you'll have to score at least 70%, and once you reach that, then you know you're done with credit recovery. So make sure you're only completing the things that I require you to. You don't have to do every little assignment, but it'll kind of indicate what you have to do here. So any questions, reach out to me. It's kelly.christensen@isd728.org. Email anytime. I'll be quick to respond. Thank you.